How to enroll in Bank of America online banking. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can enroll in Bank of America online banking. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up a browser and then type in Bank of America. From your search results, navigate to the first link on your interface. So to enroll into Bank of America online account, once you land at the official website, navigate to login prompt on your left hand side. If you already have your account, you could simply log in, but to enroll, you have to click on enroll option right here. Now you'll be taken into enroll process. First of all, you have to provide few information to begin your enrollment. First of all, you have to enter your card or account number. You have to provide your last 6 digit, and under that you have to enter your social security or tax ID number. For this is information is for your verification, so make sure you provide the correct information. Once you're done with that, click on continue and you will land on the next page. So make sure that you follow all of the instructions properly. There's a one link here that says show me how to enroll in online banking. If you click on that link, you'll be taken into this page where you have a clear instructions on how you can enroll. So once you click on enroll, make sure that you provide your social security number, and on the next step you have to enter and confirm your address. So provide your email address, then click on send code. After that, enter this verification code. Then you have to select the ATM debit card and enter the PIN for that card and click on submit. After you do that, make sure that you review and check the box to acknowledge the disclosure and then click on continue. And now you have to review and check the box again to acknowledge the service agreement and then click on continue. And after that, now you can create your online credential. You could create your online ID, password, confirm your password, then click on continue. After that, select your security preference, then click on continue. Now you have successfully enrolled in online banking of Bank of America, and now you could simply log in into your new online ID and password. So that's it. That's how you can enroll into Bank of America online account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.